Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can stretch our battery. So if you're feeling that your battery is getting down too fast or it is draining it too fast, we can make some settings changes to our Android mobile that will help us to have a longer battery. So let us check by one. First of all, you need to check whether there is any tethering hotspot on, or whether you are using the Bluetooth most, or the GPS, or you're streaming videos or music, or you're having the phone calls on the move. The phone calls on the move in the sense, when you're on a car, if you're talking to on the phone, it will use your battery much more when you're in an idle position. So check the conditions like these: high usage of battery elements. And the second point you need to check is avoid heavy screen usage. A heavy screen usage in the sense, if you continuously use the YouTube, not only the battery uses for YouTube but also for the screen activity. So like watching videos, using navigation for the more number of time, or playing high graphic game. This is an important point to be noted. Not all games will use the same amount of battery. If you are using a high interactive graphical rich games, the battery usage will be more, so you need to be considered about that. And avoid heavy processing in the sense, like camera usage. For example, if you continuously keep on the camera, it will take a much amount of battery. And when you're considering the battery, and when you want to have a longer battery, just you need to go to settings and click on the battery here. So these analytical data about your Android battery will let you know what is your most battery usage resource. So here screen is my mostly using element in my battery usage, then YouTube, then this particular app. If I don't want this app, I can simply eliminate this. I can save 22% of my battery. Means I can stretch my battery by just losing this is the external app I have used for the logging, several apps. So here for my condition, it is my screen. So I can justly go to display settings. I can decrease my display, and I can, yes, here I have the 2 minutes of sleep inactivity. I can reduce it to 30 seconds maybe. So a setting changes like this can play a huge role in getting an extra life of battery. So for my case, this is one. For you, maybe there are another chances. So if you do, if one more thing, your signal percentage, if your signal is weak, there are chances that your battery usage will be more. When you're in out of coverage area, it is better to use airplane mode. Airplane mode always offs Wi-Fi, but do you know this, we can still use Wi-Fi on airplane mode. So if you want to use Wi-Fi and off the airplane mode, you can do that at the same time. So done. Now we'll check. I'm on the airplane mode and still I can use internet. So I'll open the Google here. If you want to check, so most of us don't know this thing. In the airplane mode, we think everything will be off, but in airplane mode I can still use Wi-Fi. So another thing is, check whether your Bluetooth is on or off. So Bluetooth and tethering hotspot and location or GPS services will use most of your battery. And if your Android OS is 6.0 and higher, means if it is your Android is Marshmallow 6.0 and higher, you will have a option, something like battery saver mode. You can on it. What if your Android is below 6.0? You still have the option. Click on the three dots here, battery saver threshold. You can click on this. This is a battery saver mode for 6.0 and below versions, and I have enabled at 15% of my battery. This will automatically get on. And what this will do is, um, it will, by enabling the battery saving mode, it will off some services. Like for example, I show you. Okay, we'll see what this battery saver mode will do for us. So just go to your settings, and under settings you can click on accounts. So if you click on Google here, if you can observe last sync, this data syncing or the continuous syncing will use a bit of battery. So when this battery saver mode is on, your if you using hotspot or Wi-Fi or this syncing, all these will be temporarily closed, thus it will save a lot of battery for us. And one more thing you need to check is your location services. For example, the cab drivers who uses the mobile will use the location services. That is a mandatory for them. So in order to how effectively use location service, there is a option called GPS battery saving mode. So we need to enable that. Go to settings and click on location here. So here, if you can see, there is a second option, battery saving. Use Wi-Fi and mobile networks to determine location. So when you are using the location service, means if you really want your location service and still you want to save the battery, go to mode, and by default it will be enabled as high accuracy. You need to check it with battery saving. This saves a lot of battery when you're using the location data services. Means when you're using your GPS and still you want to save the battery, you need to enable these settings. Just go to settings and click on location, and then mode to battery saving. So these are the few options you can do. And for my thing, for my battery, the most usage is this one. So I want YouTube. If I want to stop this app, I can go to this app and simply uninstall this. So if I really don't want this, I can uninstall this, but that completely depends upon your opinion. So I want this app, so I won't do this. But if you observe, it is taking 22% of my battery. So this is how you can analyze your own battery statistics and can make some necessary changes. What I have did, I have decreased the screen display settings, and from now on my battery will be get an extended amount of time. So this is how you can stretch your battery life. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you do have any tips, please share with us in the comment section.